Today I'm going to show you how to make this natural lipstick with just one ingredient that you probably have in your kitchen right now. And the first thing we'll do is go to the kitchen and find our beet. Here it is. We're going to boil it, fill it with water, wash it. We'll take a small piece just after the beet has finished boiling, and then we carefully crush it. Like this, see how the beet juice comes out? You only need a little bit. The rest we'll use for a salad, or you can just eat it. You're going to take any cotton pad you have, and we're going to remove anything we might have on our lips. See, I don't have anything on. Okay, now let's try our natural lipstick. Okay, with this cotton pad, we're going to soak it. We're going to soak it. Just like that. Oh, that's spectacular. Let's take some more. Look. I love it.